Good morning, students. Lesson number 8, Cell Biology and Biotechnology. Today's subtopic, Types of Stem Cells. Students, in the previous video, I explained you about cytology and stem cells. Let us focus today on important concept, that is types of stem cells. Depending upon source, stem cells are of two types. First is embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. Let us study first embryonic stem cells. Students, we all know that after fertilization, zygote is formed. The zygote start to divide mitotically and thereby it's converted into embryo. Cells of embryo undergo repeated mitotic divisions. Cell differentiation starts from 14th day of conception. Cell differentiation means the process during which young immature cells take on individual characteristics and reach their mature form and function. Cells of different organs like osteocytes, that is bone cells, hepatocytes, that is liver cells, and neurons are formed due to differentiation. Embryonic cells before differentiation are called embryonic stem cells. Students, there are 220 different types of cells in human body are formed from single type cell, that is embryonic stem cells. Thus, stem cells are primary type of undifferentiated cell with self-multiplying ability and they are parent cells of all types of human cells. This property of stem cell is called as pluripotency. I repeat, stem cells are primary type of undifferentiated cell with self-multiplying ability and they are parent cells of all types of human cells. This property of stem cell is called as pluripotency. It has been found that if these stem cells are collected well before the beginning of differentiation on 14th day, that is during 5th to 7th day, and culture with certain biochemical stimulus in laboratory, as per the stimulus, they can transform themselves into desired type of cells like neurons, enterocytes, hepatocytes, cardiac cells, and osteocytes. These cells multiply and form desired tissue and make desired organ like brain, intestine, liver, heart, and bone. Next is adult stem cells. Stem cells can be obtained from the body of adult persons too. There are three main sources of stem cells in the body of adult person. Stem cells can be obtained from red bone marrow, adipose connective tissue, and blood. Stem cells can be obtained from cord blood immediate after birth. Students, Stem cell research is a revolutionary change after cloning. This technique has the potential of bringing about massive change in medical science. Let us learn how stem cells are used in medical science. They are used in regenerative therapy and organ, transplantation. Let us study about these uses in brief. Stem cells are widely used in medical science. First is regenerative therapy. Stem cells are used to replace the dead cells in case of conditions like diabetes, myocardial infarction, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. And second, to produce blood cells required in conditions like anemia, thalassemia, leukemia, etc. And second use is organ transplantation. In case of failure of organs like kidney and liver, those can be produced with the help of stem cells and transplanted. Students, you might have seen a gardener does grafting in a plant to get desired results. In the same way, is the organ transplantation possible in humans? Yes. In case of failure organs like kidney and liver, those organs can be produced with the help of stem cells and transplanted in patients. Various organs in the human body either become less efficient or completely functionless due to various reasons like aging, accidents, infection, disorder, etc. Life of such person become difficult or even fatality may occur under such conditions. However, if a person gets the necessary organ under such conditions, its life can be saved. Availability of donor is an important requirement in organ transplantation. Each person has a pair of kidneys. As the process of excretion can occur with the help of single kidney, person can donate another one. Similarly, skin from certain parts of the body can also be donated for transplantation. Various factors like blood group, diseases, disorder, age, etc. of the donor and recipient need to be pay attention during transplantation. Organs like liver, heart, eyes can be donated after death only. This has led to the emergence of concepts like posthumous donation of body and organs. Students, you might have listened, some patients are declared as brain dead by doctors. What does brain dead mean? When patient is declared brain dead, it means that brain of that person no longer working in any capacity and never will again. Other organ like heart, kidney, liver can still work for short time. The vital organ in such patients provide optimal opportunities for their transplantation. So, we can say life of a patient can be saved by organ transplantation. So, let us study now organ and body donation. Human bodies are disposed of after death as per traditional customs. However, due to progress in science, it has been realized that many organs remain functional for certain period even after death. Concepts like organ donation and body donation have emerged recently after realization that such organs can be used to save the life of other needful persons. A liberal view behind the concept of organ and body donation is that after death, our body should be useful to other needful persons so that their miserable life would become comfortable. Awareness about these concepts is increasing in our country, and people are voluntarily donating their bodies. Life of many people can be saved by organ and body donation. Blinds can regain the vision. Life of many people can be saved by donation of organs like liver, kidney, heart wall, skin, etc. Similarly, body can be made available for research in medical studies. Many government and social organizations are working towards increasing the awareness about body donation. So students, today I explained you about types of stem cells. First type is embryonic stem cells and second is adult stem cells. Also we studied about uses of stem cells. First is in regenerative therapy and second is organ transplantation. Also we studied about organ and body donation. That's all for today. Thank you.